Today we will learn how to create folders and subfolders in our tables. For example, I have a table for just measures, and I have quite a few of them, so I want to add folders so they will tell me more about those measures. And now I can go on model view, select for example average revenue measure, and on properties tab I can see display folder field, and here I can just write basic for example, because this is basic measure, and I can select sales count. This is also basic measure, and I can put it in this folder and just drag and drop. Just last revenue sum, it's also basic measure, and I can fold down this folder and I can see only other measures. And we can also see here a hidden column, an empty column, but we are focusing our interest in the measures. And then I can select let's say almost every because I have also select revenue previously, and with control I need to select for example those columns and this, and just put them in display folder, and let's just call it revenue. Okay, it's enough for this instructional purposes, and we have two folders, basic, revenue, and we can for example just drag measure, this simple measure, to the main folder, or we can just delete display folder field and we will get the same result. For example, that's also working, but we can drag and drop those measures between the tables and folders. And when sometimes I want to add more structure, so subfolders, I can just select for example those three measures, and in display folder field revenue, and I need backslash, backslash revenue, and let's say time intelligence. Enter, and now we create subfolders. So I have my main folder, so table, then subfolder revenue, and time intelligence is subfolder for revenue folder. And just like that I can faster find measure that I'm interested in. And for example, when I'm writing time, I will also find time intelligence folder with data search, so with search fields.